Hi, my name is Zach Underwood, and I am doing my presentation on the Boreal Forest biome. Boreal Forest, also known as the taiga or swamp forest, is the world's most expansive biome, consisting of 32% of Earth's forest. The Boreal Forest biome can be found on three continents: North America, Europe, and Asia. Most of Canada, Russia, Alaska, and Mexico's highlands are engulfed by the Boreal Forest. Due to unnatural disturbances, the boreal forest's geographic range has shrunk dramatically within the past 30 years due to resource extraction such as logging, mining, oil refining, and hydroelectric generation. The temperature of the boreal forest remains fairly cool for most of the year. The boreal forest has long cold winters followed by short damp summers. The average annual temperature is 5 degrees Celsius to -5 degrees Celsius. The annual precipitation is 20 to 200 centimeters, mostly in the form of snow. The boreal forest biome only has a short growing season of under 3 months. Climate has shaped the boreal forest physical geography due to glacial maxima, which causes the cold and wet lowland forests to create a wide-ranged mainland habitat for species that reside there. Surface albedo, which is the reflective value of the surface of the Earth, is changing. This causing a change in surface reflection is causing temperatures to rise dramatically. Mountain slopes, as well as isolation from ocean currents, maintain a stable, cool climate in the boreal forest. The topography of the boreal forest can range from swampy lowlands to mountain slopes. Most of the ground is covered with trees and marshes. Resource extraction is the largest disturbance regime in the boreal forest, although natural disturbance regimes such as fire and windstorms also pose a threat to the boreal forest. Fossilization is the main geologic effect of the boreal forest. The soils in the boreal forest are waterlogged whenever temperatures are not freezing, causing slow decomposition, which leads to poor soils. When high elevation and cold damp conditions persist, microbial decomposition is limited, resulting in humus accumulation. As humus breaks down, acid is leached into the soil, limiting biodiversity amongst plant species. The hydrology of the boreal forest consists mostly of snowmelt and frozen lakes. The North American boreal forest is Earth's largest source of fresh surface water. The animal species that live in the boreal forest are Siberian tigers, elk, porcupine, caribou, and the snowshoe hare. The tree species that are prominent in the boreal forest are spruces, firs, and larches. The boreal forest is also characterized by shrubs, mosses, and lichen. There is more biodiversity amongst animals than plants in the boreal forest. Physical adaptations of plants and animals in the boreal forest are driven by harsh winters and damp summers. Most flora of the boreal forest live in poor soils, which requires them to develop acid tolerance in extreme mesic conditions. Waxy leaves and minuscule surface area allow for survival in cold conditions. An example of an animal adaptation is the snowshoe hare. Their feet are enlarged to walk on snow better. An environmental issue that is impacting the boreal forest is legal and illegal logging, oil refinery, and hydroelectric generation. This causes the geographic range of the boreal forest to migrate north due to roads being constructed. Hydroelectric production causes 12.9 million acres of terrestrial habitat destruction in the boreal forest. This resource extraction is remedied by conservation methods to preserve over $700 billion in natural services that these resources provide. This is my reference page. I'm open to any questions. Thank you guys.